Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Verizon Content Transfer app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Verizon Content Transfer is a data migration app designed to help users move their photos, videos, contacts, messages, and other essential files from an old device to a new one. The app works wirelessly, allowing transfers between Android to Android, iPhone to iPhone, or even cross-platform moves. It is especially useful for users switching phones without wanting to rely on cloud backups or cables. The app's main feature is its simple device pairing process. You scan a QR code to link both phones, select the data types you want to move, and the transfer begins instantly over Wi-Fi Direct. It supports large file transfers, maintains folder structures, and does not require users to log into any Verizon account, making it accessible even for non-Verizon customers. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its fast transfer speeds, straightforward setup, and reliable copying of photos and contacts. It is especially praised for enabling smooth transitions during phone upgrades, avoiding the need for cables or complex software. The fact that it works across platforms is another major advantage, especially for people switching between Android and iOS. However, there are some drawbacks. The app sometimes struggles with transferring very large message histories, especially SMS threads with attachments. Some users report occasional connection drops during longer transfers, requiring the process to be restarted. Additionally, while the app covers the basics well, it does not transfer certain types of app data or system settings, which may require manual setup afterward. In summary, the Verizon Content Transfer app may be worth using if you want a fast, cable-free way to move photos, videos, contacts, and messages between devices. However, if you need complete data replication, including app data and settings, or encounter frequent network interruptions, you may need more advanced transfer tools. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.